Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Hello Kitty Christmas Day and I'm so excited to share this with you guys. The reason why I decided to throw a Hello Kitty Christmas party is literally because of this. So I was at the store with my friend and we saw this like paper tableware set and I was like, oh my god, imagine throwing a Hello Kitty and Friends party, and my friends were like, girl, do it. And they were so encouraging and I was like, you know what? Why not? So I had this idea to do dollar store gifts for everyone who is coming. I kind of had an agreement with a lot of my friends that we didn't want to do presents this year, which is great. I just wanted to do like a fun thing for everyone's here. I also have a bunch of games and stuff, but you guys will see. Anyway, so for these gifts, I found the cutest Hello Kitty and Friends wrapping paper. On my shorts, you might have seen them, but I just wanted to show you what I ended up doing. So here's like one of the gifts, and this is how I packaged it. And like you can see the little like you can see the little gift tags too. Here is another one that I did, which I'm pretty proud of. Again, these are all things that I found at the dollar store, so they're pretty like inexpensive. Here's another one with the other Hello Kitty wrapping paper that I have. So one of them has like Hello Kitty in like Christmas sweater fit. The other one has all the Sanrio characters, at least most of them, which is, anyway, really proud of these. Also, because the theme of the party is Sanrio or Hello Kitty and Friends, I asked everyone to come in a Christmas sweater that was preferably Sanrio. Definitely easier said than done though, so I said if you are coming in a basic Christmas sweater, that's fine too. I also wanted to share the invites that I sent out. So I use this app called Partyful, and this is not sponsored in any way. I just really thought this app was fun and really made me more excited for this party that I'm planning. And so the invites look like this. They are so cute, and I just love the functionality of the app. Like you can communicate with everyone on it, and also it's just like such a fun, like it's like an easy way to design and plan everything. So highly recommend that if you are looking for an app. A little bit of cleaning left to do. I'm also cooking. It's a potluck, but I love to cook, and so I am excited to do that for my friends. But I know people are also bringing some things. So basically, it's going to be pretty chill, just with like really close friends of mine. We're gonna eat, have our potluck. I have some games, some prizes, and dollar store gifts, and then I also have karaoke because we love karaoke. And that's it. We'll see kind of where the night goes. So I'm really excited. Stay tuned.